Hello.
Hi.
First question, shoes off or on?
Shoes off.
Shoes always off.
What's this?
This is Biggie Boy.
This is Biggie Boys.
He's the baby and probably the most needy.
I love it. What's your coffee order?
We don't drink coffee, haven't for months.
Not anymore.
We drink a green tea or a matcha, which, cheers.
Matcha green tea almond latte.
Oh, it's so good.
So good.
It's caffeine, but it's healthier. Or it's what I just told
Or we
myself.
tell ourselves that.
So what else is always in your fridge?
Fruit, avocados,
Salad making stuff.
hamburger. We're kind of a meat and veggies family at this point.
100%.
Not much in between.
I'm new to Hawaii. What is the #1 thing I have to eat while I'm here?
Hawaiian food.
Kalua pig and cabbage, lomi salmon, squid luau,
Yeah.
poi, haupia.
Haupia.
What about shave ice?
So, this is funny that you
This is
asked.
a funny story that you ask about shave ice.
Because this guy actually used to own a shave ice store.
The first all-natural shave ice store in Hawaii made some super ono shave ice.
You couldn't go wrong with any flavor, but strawberry lihimoi, lily
Lily
koi,
koi.
or tamarind.
For a mainlander, tell me what lily koi is.
Passion fruit.
Oh, now I'm getting hungry.
Yeah.
All right, so how do you get a beach feel in your house but not make it cheesy?
That is a really good question.
I think the key to achieving a beach Hawaiian style vibe is color palette and texture. You don't need the shells. You don't even need pictures of the beach or life's a beach signs. That's really what makes it cheesy. It's about the color palette you choose, bringing in the blues and the greens. You can also achieve like a beach wood texture with the furniture you bring in. Art can also pull beachy water tones, the teals and the greens and the blues. It's really about colors and textures versus literal shells and pictures of beaches.
So what makes a home Hawaiian? Like, what is Hawaiian style?
For us, it's about creating experiences and specific spaces that tell stories.
And anything that ties the inside to the outside, just because we have beautiful weather year round and culturally we are just outdoor people. I also just think embodying nature into your design. So with color palette, again, obviously Hawaiian specific artifacts, textures, designs, fabrics. This is Hawaiian print. It represents our cultures. That's really what embodies a Hawaiian home. It's a feel, it's a vibe, it's laid back, it's casual, it's family, it's natural, it feels organic. There's a lot of textures and patterns.
And then you put some Hawaiians in it. There you go. That's really Hawaiian style.
Hawaiian style.
Don't
It's a
start
song.
singing songs.
What are your exact heights?
This is probably one of the most asked
The
questions
most asked question.
we get on social media. So we're gonna tell you. I am 4'11".
And I am 6'4".
It is what
It's
it is.
perfect. It's perfect. Yeah.
Can we go outside?
Yeah.
Let's go outside.
Leeward or windward?
Windward.
Windward. We're very biased. Both of our families have been on the windward side for generations.
Born
So
and raised.
the windward side is just more laid back, more lush and green. I say it's more beautiful, but again, we're
We're
biased
biased.
because we're from the windward
Yeah.
side. Definitely windward.
I'm dying to see the pool area. Can we walk that way?
Let's
Yes.
go check it out.
Let's go see the pool. This is nice.
Oh.
Oh, here comes Mickey.
Oh, the Beaky Boys.
Hi, honey.
Okay, so how did you guys meet?
We actually met from work. My mom was his boss and I was doing an internship and we sat across from each other and stared at each other.
It
and
was
I
a
slid into
little
the
it was a
DMs.
little more dramatic than that. I saw her walk in one day to the office. I hit my coworker and I said, "Oh my gosh, who is that?" And he actually hit me back really hard and said, "Don't even think about it. That's the boss's daughter." I obviously did not heed his advice, and here we are 12 years later.
Yep.
One sentence. Tristyn, can you describe Kamohai?
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
In one sentence. The most patient, thoughtful, and kind person I've ever met.
All right, Kamohai, you're up.
Tristyn is a leader. She is the smartest woman that I have ever met. She is nurturing, and she can literally do anything that she puts her mind to.
It's pretty sweet, guys. Can we make our way over to the outdoor kitchen?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
The outdoor kitchen. Guys, we cook
This
here
is
all
my
the time.
spot. Steak, hamburgers, hot dogs, guava chicken.
Oh, the best guava chicken you've ever had in your whole life.
Do you guys have any hidden talents?
Oh!
Wow.
Yeah,
I can also pick stuff up with my toes.
that's freaking awesome.
We might have to see.
Mine
He's
is,
annoying because he has he's good at everything, all the time.
yeah, no. But I think what people don't realize that I have been told that I'm pretty good at is landscape photography. I have a gallery now of all kinds of photos.
He's really good.
All right, let's head back inside. I have a few questions about flipping houses.
Okay.
Oh, nice, okay.
Let's do it. Now you're gonna really get us talking.
Well, the first thing I want to know is, can just anybody flip a house? And should anyone flip a house?
Ooh.
Can anyone flip a home? Yes.
Yes.
Should anyone flip a home?
No.
No.
What's the hardest part about renovating in Hawaii?
I think we're just limited with our materials. Whatever is in stock, so you can't just readily go and get this custom thing. You have to order it and wait a long time, but it's all we know, so we're used to it.
That's what I was gonna say. We live on an island. Everything needs to be shipped in. Because of that, our materials are more expensive. Our labor costs are very, very expensive here. So maybe double what you're gonna pay on the West Coast, you're paying in Hawaii.
True.
What's one design trend you currently love?
Color drenching a room, painting everything, ceiling, trim, baseboards, all one color, one sheen. I'm loving that.
What's one you are completely over?
Anything gray.
Anything gray.
Anything gray.
Yes.
Gray floors,
Gray
gray
cabinets.
cabinets,
Great.
gray
I just-
exterior paint.
Yeah, it's just
Gray's
bland
out.
and boring. Another skill you guys don't know that Kamohai has is he can sing. He has a really good voice.
Maybe I'll give you a, no, I'm not gonna do that.
I just have one last question. What's your favorite beach?
Kailua Beach.
You can't tell the secrets.
Anything Kailua Beach, you're good.
All right, well, I think it's time for us to go check out the beach. Did we miss anything?
I don't think so, besides watch Renovation Aloha.
And rock the block.
All right, guys, mahalo.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Thank you very much.
Peace. Mahalo.
Mahalo.